Hi, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do what I'm calling extra lip care routine. So this is something that goes a little bit more beyond just exfoliating and moisturizing. And this is something that I really like to do every once in a while, just as like a little extra special treat for myself. It's kind of almost like a spa-like experience, which I really like. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing that you're going to do is cleanse, and I just like to use my facial cleanser, and I would probably do this honestly when I'm washing my face, but for the purpose of this video I just applied a little bit of it to my finger, massaged it into my lips, and then wiped it off with a wet cloth. Next, you're going to exfoliate, and I like to use the Red Apple Lipstick Lip Exfoliator, and there's a couple reasons I really like this. The first reason is that it's not messy, it's super easy to use. I've used sugar scrubs before, they're okay, but they always kind of leave almost like a sticky feeling, which I'm not like a huge fan of. Another thing I really like about this is that it's in the shape of a lipstick, so it's super easy to apply. One thing that I like to do is I like to apply it and then take my finger and just kind of massage it in, and that helps to stimulate circulation as well. So you're exfoliating and stimulating circulation at the same time. The next thing is the lip mask. So this is definitely like more of the extra thing, right? So you could buy a lip mask. There's a few on the market. I have never tried them personally, so I can't really vouch for them, but for the purpose of this video, I did go ahead and do a kind of do-it-yourself lip mask, and I will post a link to the blog post that I found this on. I will say that I had to use more water than it called for. The consistency that you want is almost like the filling of a meringue pie, and then I just applied it with a lip brush, and then you let it sit and dry on your lips, and then take it off. And when it comes off, it's almost kind of rubbery, but it leaves your lips feeling so moisturized. Next, we get into the treatment part. So what I like to do is I like to do a drop of hyaluronic acid and then do a drop of vitamin E, and then I just massage those both into my lips. Then to finish things off for moisturizing, of course I apply the Rallye Balm, which, note to self, I need a new one. But this feels so good on the lips after you've done this treatment. Like, your lips just feel so smooth and so hydrated and moisturized. It's amazing. Normally, I would probably do this in just like at nighttime, just as an extra thing, but if you want to do this and then also apply lipstick, let me tell you, it creates the smoothest surface for applying lipstick. So I did apply lipstick for the purpose of this video, and I applied the lipstick in the shade called Starlette, which is a beautiful pinky red. And then I topped it off with the lipstick in the shade called Chai Love You, which adds a little bit of warmth. And I really like this lip combo. It's super gorgeous. And that is the extra lip care routine. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, take care. Bye!